Reebok se poesie net op Facebook bed. Hy kruip weg as ek hom check, like ek kom collect game. My plak sak toe ek sien hoe lyk al sy gang sonder respect. Ons vies niks, skip het till ek kom vir jou. Op elke trek gebring jy die fucking selfde vlaan. Het my gesoek in Bloemendal, het geëet midde se fan.
Yo, D-Dog here, D-Dog the GOAT, and you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, like the fucking video, and comment your favorite bar. Because we got no one other than one of the most hardest fucking MCs to ever be born in PE, my bro. Jimmy fucking G.
It's facts! It's facts!
No one other but Jimmy G. One of the main fucking MCGs in this fucking industry.
It's facts! It's facts!
Yo, and now we're gonna listen to one of his hardest tracks that could have possibly dropped this year, Headshots. He recently released a EP or a mixtape, I would say a mixtape, yeah. He released it.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
G5, this new G5 wave, man. You Owens all know the old G5, Garo G, Kati G, who's this other bra? Jabook.
What the fuck? No!
And all these other Owens, Game Time and all that. We all remember that era now. But now G5, you know, most G5 separated, unfortunately. Then majority of the Owens went their separate ways. And like Game Time went solo. As I can think, because it looks like he went solo, like compared to all the other Owens. Because I see Garo went to if I'm not, I don't want to be mistaken or anything, but I'm sure Loyalty Records is a thing on their own. But I know that Garo went to Loyalty Records, and then from there he met Damien and Mr. Rule and all of them, and then they formed Scorva. Now they Scorva, and this is the new G5. This is the new G5 wave. And
nice.
I don't know if you Owens or got your surfboards ready and bones to be able to ride this wave, but nah, these Owens are gonna come in hot, and they're gonna come in deadly. This new G5. I've been listening to a lot of Jimmy's new music, bro. Been listening to a lot of his new music lately. Like, yeah, I've been listening to a lot of his music lately this year, and I can say he's still there on top this year, bro. He's still on top there as one of the goated artists. But nah, yo, I'm not gonna even lie to you. I know a bit of this track. I just know that this is a diss track. So we had to check it out. Who's gonna march here? Who's gonna squash like a squashy?
What? No, alright. I know that sounds bad.
Y'all let me get my joint ready, man, so I can listen with you. And you know, if you're listening to Jimmy G, you're gonna need yourself a joint, and you're gonna need yourself a black label. That is the G5 starter pack, listening pack. Okay. But anyways. Oh, yo, you guys know I got a superpower. I can't cough from weed. Anyone that's watching this, put any fucking weed you want in front of me. Any weed. But not shit that's mixed with other shit.
Have you touched any drugs?
I don't understand.
Any heroin, cocaine?
Cocaine!
Yeah, have you been in touch with
Oh,
anything?
no!
But just pure weed, put that in front of me. I'll show you I won't cough. Not even a little burst or nothing. But y'all, let's get into this track, man. I smoked the other shit. Joe. Bro, Literally 3 seconds in and I can already hear this beat. I can already hear this beat is gonna be monstrosity, my bro. Nah, this is old school revive, my bro. This is old school revive.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
This is the beats of the Jeremy we remember, my bro. Hear that?
G5 Revive. Onze Zima second.
Yo, when we hear that, ons is hier maar second, then you know, my bro, you know it's gonna be a banger. Certified banger already. Certified banger before even listening to it. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Let me. You know, when you listen to this, when we listen to some real hip hop, we have to take a breather, take heat of the joint, and just relax so we can listen. Because yo, old school's the way. Old school all the way.
Een paar lijnen om straight trek, man. Ja, seasonal wit, hit ze aard perfect in fit. Corryboxen poesie net op Facebook bit. Damn! Kreep weg.
Seasonal wit. Sy kreep weg. Wait.
Seasonal wit, hit ze aard perfect in fit.
Seasonal wit het sy aard perfect. Corryboxen poesie het net 'n Facebook bit. Yo, hear that, my bro, already coming in with the warme fucking lyrics and rhyme scheme, my bro. This is the Jeremy we know, the Jeremy with his huge words, bro. He's saying Gory is a seasonal vet. Saying that Corrybox is old already. Corrybox is old.
Whoa.
Now, meaning he's a veteran now, because, you know, veterans are people that fought in the war back then. Now he's saying that he's an old veteran, because he's an old artist. Yo, no, I don't want to get dust or attacked or anything, but nah, I wouldn't want to step to Jeremy on a diss battle on a mic, my bro. You don't want to diss battle Jeremy or Garo. Those people know their way around the mic. They know their way around the pen and the mic. When it comes to dissing, I can even put them on Capital, bro. I can put my money on them to fuck up Capital in a rap battle. On God. Jeremy and Garo are rap battle legends, my bro. And yeah, we can hear it already in this thing, my bro. Just hear that first stuk already.
Onze Zima second. Een paar lijnen om straight trek, man. Ja, seasonal wit, hit ze aard perfect in fit. Corryboxen poesie net op Facebook bit. Hij kreep weg en zeg hem chick, like ik kom collect.
Bit, kom collect dit. Hear that, Owens. Hear that rhyme scheme there. You hear that wordplay, bit. And check and collect it. Nee, bro. Nah, that rhyme scheme is crazy. Holy shit, that wordplay is crazy. Jesus. Yo.
Wit, hit ze aard perfect in fit. Corryboxen poesie net op Facebook bit. Hij kreep weg en zeg hem chick, like ik kom collect dit. Mijn plakzak toen ik zin hoe leek als een gang zonder spit. Was vies niks, Capital, ik kom voor jou. Op welke trek
Whoa.
Him, bodies!
Speaking about Capital, now is Bruce dissing Capital. It's like I was speaking into existence there, my bro. Jeremy knew what I said there, my bro. He heard it. He heard what I said there before he even listened here, my bro. Chill. Your cup.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Capital, you better be prepared, my bro. You better come prepared. Come with your whole fucking writing book, bro. Come with the whole, all your writing that you've ever written in your whole life, bro. Come and come this, bro. I bet you're not gonna stand a chance, my bro. So, poor Capital, what you gonna say now about this, man?
Onder respect, was vies niks, Capital, ik kom voor jou. Op welke trek gebruik je die fucking zelfde vlag? Damn!
What did you say?
Aan het my gesoek in Bloemendal het geëet, maar dis 'n
Yo, in every single track you use the flow. You use the same flow in every track. Let's actually think about that. Let's actually think about that.
Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing.
Let's actually think about that for a moment. He does have a point though. He does have a point though. Because you look at like Kappa Dean and Joe Ayerskild and Setsabella remix and this fucking new thing that's going around with the bank account. And that Tolly Seiger thing, where he saved his own Tolly. Yeah, I don't know why that man said that. That just gave opportunity for everyone to diss him because of that, bro. But anyways. Yeah, bro. What does that say, man? Yeah, Capital uses the same radio flow in every single track, bro. And that is waar. Yeah.
Wanneer jou puist die gevierd, ik wonder is hij je meer. Die fucking zelfde vlag het my gesoek in Bloemendal het geëet, maar dis 'n feest. Wanneer jou puist die gevierd, ik wonder is hij je meer. Damn! Volg jy en jou fans, ik kan maar sê ek soek aan. Ons allemaal wie deze rectum baba. Wie is eerlijk? Damn! Dan die reerig, hij trek was het.
We all know that you're a rectum baba. Yo, he's gonna go crying home to his mother now about this. He's gonna go tell his mother, "Mommy, you're really a rectum baba, mommy. No, mommy." You know, I can already picture this guy going to go cry by his mother now. So, that is kak funny. Nee, wacht. Did you people hear that?
Fans, ik kan maar sê ek soek aan. Ons allemaal wie deze rectum baba. Wie is eerlijk dan die reerig, hij trek was het. Ek sal hoe seksueel aan, raak ben die mening om te bevrug. Kapitaal, ek kry nie vrou nie, hy is blauwer as 'n kraan. Word iets gekamendele, maar nog steeds is hy 'n Frans.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
It's blower than a kraan. You know, Kraan the bird. He's bluer than the bird. Boss. Fucking
ben die mening om te bevrug. Kapitaal, ek kry nie vrou nie, hy is blauwer as 'n kraan. Word iets gekamendele, maar nog steeds is hy 'n Frans.
What did you say?
Poppel sal dans, hy's 'n leeuw in 'n kraal. Sê dit een keer per dan gaan ek Garou gaan haal. Ja!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Nee. That last 3 bars finished him. Gone with over, dead, demolished in the grave. Grave has been buried, thrown everything over. Bodies! Nee, bro. Nee, Junior, my bro, you better watch out before this man comes and disses you, bro. Because then your career is gonna be worried over. Like he says, moenie laat ek gaan Garou gaan haal. Moenie laat ek dat Garou gaan haal. Yeah? Because then it's gonna be even more push to for you. But yeah, yes. Jimmy, chillax, bro. What did these people then do to you?
Sy's 'n leeuw in 'n kraal. Sê dit een keer per dan gaan ek Garou gaan haal. Ja!
Fucking hell. But yeah, that was another banger for the books. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. You know what to do already. like, subscribe, and comment your favorite bar in here. And who do you think, which diss of the two bras in here did you think went the hardest? And if you catch another diss that I didn't peep, comment it in the description, in the comments. I would love to hear that. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. D-Dog, the GOAT.